Hey, what if I could show you how to make some money for free online? The good thing about this method that I'm going to share with you right now, it is worldwide. It doesn't matter where you're from. You could be from Israel, you could be from India, you could be from Bangladesh, United States, Canada. You could be in the Europe or in Africa, Nigeria, anywhere. So this method that I'm going to share with you right now, you can go out there and crush it. So how to start affiliate marketing for absolutely free, and this is going to be for beginners, so make sure you watch this video all the way to the end. Now I know you're online and you've probably seen a bunch of videos all over the internet, and that's okay, but I'm going to show you how you could do this for free. That means it's $0 out of pocket, so you do not need any large following, you do not need a website, you do not need any of all those things, all the bells and whistles. So I'm going to show you how you could set this up for free, and this is going to be a complete step-by-step tutorial. So if you haven't yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, my name is Andre, and I create videos about make money online. So make sure you watch this video and don't forget to subscribe. And in the comment section, if you're watching this video right now and you love affiliate marketing, I want you to type down in the comment section affiliate marketing. So watch this video all the way to the end, and I'm going to give you a special bonus at the end that you can go and get started with right away. So let's jump into the video. As I said before, this is going to be a complete tutorial. So what we're going to be doing, we're going to be heading over to Clickbank. Yes, I know most of you probably cannot have access to Clickbank, but there's always a way around it, and you can get started right now. So here's the deal. Once you come onto Clickbank, you can find a ton of different products over on the left-hand side here. And I'm not going to go into details because I know most of you already done your research about Clickbank, and you know there's a ton of different products that you can find. So once you sign up, what we're going to be doing, we're going to go over to the spiritual niche. And the reason why I go to the spiritual niche is because this is a great way how you could get started, because people are always trying to find a way to work on themselves. They are into the new age. They want to get more spiritual. And that's why you see these amazing products on here. So if you come down here, you will see tons of different ones that you could choose from, and you could get started with this right now. Okay, that's how it is. So right over here, you have the Ultra Manifestation, and over here you have the Royal Neurology. This is a 2020 sales copy. So this is a sales copy that they're offering, and there is this is a new one that just came out this month, October, just shooting this video, 2020, and you have tons of different ones that you can pick from. Now, what I normally do is I always go out there and I check to see which one is going, which one has the most searches, what people are looking for, what are people saying about that particular product. So what I'll do, I'll just click on here, and then once it goes to the main page, especially here, I'll just grab the URL at the top. And once I grab the URL, I'm gonna head on over to this website that I search for everything to see, and it's called similarweb.com. So SimilarWeb is free. You ain't gotta worry about this type of stuff, right? There's absolutely no money out of pocket. It's a great website that can give you some market intelligence, and they go into detail. So as I put in the URL, you see videoneurology.com. I'm just gonna click on it, and once I click it, you will see here where it shows the different stats about this particular product or website. Now over here, you can see there's an increase. There is 17%. And how many visitors? Is over 539,000 people actually go into this website on a daily. So that's a lot of people. And there's an increase, so there's tons of different traffic. Now, if you look over here, you will see that people in the United States, let me just clear this for a bit. You'll see people in the United States is 44%, but there's a decrease and it drops down 7%. In India, huge spike right now. So there's over 28% of people over in India. You got Canada, you got 1.76, and in Brazil, there's over 101%. So you can see right there, there's a lot of people going in here, and what they're doing. People are searching. There's over 8.9%. There's direct, there's referrals, there's mail. If you look over on this side over here, you can see the display section and all that. Now we want to scroll through here and we want to see the different things that they're offering. Where are the traffic coming from? You can see the top sites that these are coming from, so you could tell that there's probably affiliates running traffic to this particular stuff. Do they have any paid top keywords? No. So everybody is searching for this particular word, and you can see neurology report, neurologists just dropped. People are looking for free neurology. They want neurology, but they're looking for free. So you can see there's a spike going up and all these things. Now, not because they're searching and they're looking for free, don't mean that they wouldn't pay. If it's good, if it's right for them, they'll take money out of pocket. So right here, you can see on the social side of things, Instagram is clocking in at 71% right there. And Facebook is second. YouTube is coming in, WhatsApp and all that. And these are the different things. So you get the idea of why this particular website is good, where you can find different stuff. So if I go and over here, find a different product. And if I find a different product, I can click on this one and I could do the same, and I could go and search for this one. So this is Soul Dash Manifest. So I'm going to copy this, going to head on over to this particular website, to SimilarWeb, and I'm going to find to see how much traffic is coming in on this particular website. So this one just dropped 50%. So let it load to see, right? So this is going down. So for me, one, I wouldn't promote this particular product. So if you look here, you could see that there's not a lot of stats on this one. There's absolutely no stats. So that's why you want to use this particular website to see what people are searching for, because otherwise you're going to be losing out on a huge potential. So there's nobody looking at that. I'm not into that either, right? If you click on rank, you'll see rank. If you click on where it says gravity score, we want to find the gravity score. Neurology is still at top. There's absolutely no ranking for this one when I search, but let me try. So stop. I haven't tried this one. So I'm going to close this one. This one wasn't hot. So let's try this one and see if we're going to get any good stuff on this. So these are some of the things that most people are not willing to share with you. You have to go into analytics. You have to go into details. And right there, you see 17%, it's going down. Is this good? Well, there's a spike over here in Mexico. There's Canada. So yeah, there's huge potential in Australia. So if you want to target the Australia market, that would be a good thing as well. Come down here, you can see not many people searching, but there's direct and you get the idea of what I'm trying to say, right? Is go over. So it seems like neurology is the winner so far out of these three products. So this is the one that I would like to go on there and promote. And when you promote this particular product right here, you'll get a $14.91 every time you promote. So that's not bad. That is not bad. So how are we going to be promoting this right now? Most of you probably ask. As I said before, I'm going to show you ways how you do not need a funnel. You do not need an autoresponder. And this is for complete beginner. If you're brand new to the affiliate marketing game and you just want to get started, this is what you want to do. So we're going to be heading over to this particular website. And the website is called medium.com. So medium.com, it is free. You just have to sign up for it. Absolutely free. You do not need any ton of money for you to get rolling with this. And once you get started, what we're going to be doing, we're going to put together articles. Now you probably say, well, Andre, I don't know how to write I don't know how to do these things. I don't know how to put it together. Do not worry. As I said, I have a huge bonus for you that's going to help you out tremendously. And don't just copy and just paste, but you need to tweak it. You need to put some different pictures on there and make it your own. So once you do that and you want to start a new story, you just click on here and we're going to put together something and I'm going to walk you through so you could see exactly how it's done. Now we want to head on over to a website that is called Ezine Articles. So you want to go to Ezine Articles or Ezine Articles, come over here and you could find a ton of high quality, and these are royalty free stuff, right? You can get traffic right back to your website and all that. So you can find a ton of different things. So if we're into this stuff, I think self-improvement will be a great place that you would want to go when it comes to neurology and those kind of things. So once you click on self-improvement, you could find the different things. Is it affirmation? Is it empowerment? Is it attraction? Is it addiction? Is it all these things? So if you're doing neurology, it could be spirituality and it could be attraction, happiness, leadership, motivation. So for this one, I think it will be spirituality. So let's go with that. So in here, you can find a different article. They're given out for absolutely free. So you can use these. These are royalty free as long as you give them credit for it. So if you look on here, you look at this. In the self-improvement, there's over 18,000 different ones. So if you come on here and you tell me you cannot find something, listen, you have to put in the work. You got 1,665. So you could come through here and you could see exactly which one is going to be a good fit for you. Maybe it's not going to be spiritual. Maybe it's going to be affirmation. That's probably exactly what you want to do. But you want begin your day with some morning affirmation. There we go, right here. So click on this. Once we click on it, you'll see these are the creators. He created this a year ago with me shooting this video. And you want to make sure that you give them credit. As long as you come down here, right, and you put the article source, make sure you put the article source on these things. This is the reason. So here's what you want to do. If you don't know how to do these things, here you could just swipe and deploy. So, swipe this right here. We want to head on over, right? Head over to Medium and we go boom, right? So this is the article source. I'm going to remove this, go back here. I'm going to put this. Let me clear this out. Put this right there. So as you can see, the article source is keep coming up because you have to put the article source. So if you want to make this bigger, you could just click on this box right here. And when you click on the box, you can type in morning affirmation. I would say the morning affirmations that everybody needs. You got to put something catchy. Now I would highlight this. I would change this, change it a little bigger. All right, I would make this bold. You could do that, make it all fancy looking like that, right? So boom, I'll do that. Folks are always searching for ways how to improve themselves, blah, 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 blah. What is morning affirmation? So what you could do, you can add pictures and stuff. So if you want to go over to pexels.com, and when you go to pexels.com, you could search for different pictures. Maybe I can find some affirmation pictures. So if I click on this, I could find different morning affirmations. It could be this, right? It could be trust, happy, right? There we go. This looks like a morning picture. So I would click on this picture. I would download it. So you can download this picture for absolutely free. You can download to the creators if you want. Show a little bit of love. If you got a little bit of money, You could do that, right? Don't be coming out here. I know this is a free content, but you could do that. Anyways, so come here and you click on this tab. Once you click on this, click on where it says picture. And then you could find your picture somewhere here. Where is it? Not that picture, pixel, boom. Now you see that. So you see it start looking like a blog. And the reason why I use Medium is because so many people are using Medium. You will get recognized into Google way faster than if you want to create a blog. Now, if you want to create your own blog, feel free to go ahead and do that. Not going to stop you. But for some of you who have no money and want to get started, as I said, this is how you can start affiliate marketing for free just by doing this. Then we're going to head back over here and we're going to copy this again, right? Copy this, go back. Now I want to start a new paragraph. Boom. Delete this because there's still more stuff, right? Add more information, come back over here. I'm going to do that. Copy. Boom. So this, we copy this, put it like that, put a little bold. Awesome. Now, you get the idea. You're just going to keep adding pictures, and then I would put another picture down here. Keep going down, and then you make it look good. Now, once you're done, at the end, you could say, make sure you put that link for that article because you want to put that source of, the source for the article. Learn more about morning affirmation. Click here. You could do that. You can put it anywhere in here. You want to highlight this. Then we want to head back over here. So either neurology, morning, but you want to read it. You want to find the product that coincides with what it is that you want to promote. Now you have to get approved from the vendor. For this particular, I did get approved. It's probably in my email. I could just grab the link right there. But just for the sake of this video, as I said, I really don't want to make it too long. I'm just going to grab, if you click on one of this, you could just grab your affiliate in this video. But once you grab your affiliate link, all you have to do is go back here and highlight it right here where it says the chain link, and you want to paste your affiliate link in here. And you want to keep repeating the same process. You could do one of these draft, one of these medium every single day. Just go in here. It's not going to take you 30 minutes for you to just put this together, find some pictures, add it up, and consistently do that over and over again. So that's why you don't need any huge following, because this is going to be shown in Google. It's going to show in Yahoo. It's going to go in all the different search engines, and people are going to be consistently searching. So you could just come on here and you could just do that. As I said, make sure you put that link for the creator at the bottom, so that way they don't just say, hey, where you get this from, and then just shut you down. So you want to make sure that you add that on there and give these creators everything. You can also get paid on here as well for your different things. So I hope this video helps, and I hope it helps a lot of people. So I know most of you just getting started, you're beginners. There's something that you could do worldwide, and not only just Clickbank, but you can sign up for other affiliate programs, other affiliate products out there. And speaking about affiliate programs, if you're looking for a great way for you to start your business and you want to take things a different level where you can learn how to actually crush it on the internet, how you can make a ton of money just by using affiliate marketing, I highly recommend you check out the first link in my description, and I'll just send that over to you. Once again, thank you so much for watching, and make sure you check out my previous video of how to earn $10 per test every 15 minutes. The name is Andre.